Hey teachers, I want to show you a really cool feature inside of Canvas. It's called Message Students Who. So you can message students who are missing assignments with just a click of a button. So I'm inside my Canvas course, I've clicked on my gradebook, and whether I want to message students missing an assignment, discussion, or quiz, it's all going to work the same way. So I'm going to pick this assignment for demonstration purposes. So all of your students would be listed here. I only have 2 students in this class, so it's quite easy to see who's got something turned in and who's missing it. But when you have, 60, 80, 120 students, that'd be kind of a pain to scroll through to figure out who's missing something and then to message each one. So when I highlight my mouse over the title, notice these 3 dots appear. I'm going to come back to those 3 dots in a minute. But first, I'm going to take it one step further and I'm going to open the assignment. This is the URL that takes students directly to the assignment, discussion, or quiz. And I'm going to include that in the message I send them so that they don't have to go looking for what it is that is missing. All right, I'll hit my back arrow and I'll go back to my gradebook. And now I'm ready to click on those 3 dots. So I'll click them and I'm going to say message students who. Now I'm talking about messaging students who are missing something. This is great for, just regular missing work, absent work, or even e-learning work. But you also have some other options that you might be interested in. You can message students who scored less than a certain score. Maybe you want to encourage them to seek out help, maybe through SRT or CORE. You can message students who scored more than a certain score, maybe to send them a quick congratulations, your hard work paid off kind of message. But for me, I love the haven't submitted yet or missing work. The computer will automatically put all the student names here. So you might have 3, you might have 10, you might have 34. But whatever it is, all of your students will be listed here. If for some reason you don't need to send a message to an individual student, notice the little X there. You can just X next to their name and then the message won't be sent to them. Maybe they're home quarantining and they get extra time or whatever it might be. You can X out individual students. It's going to default to a subject of no submission with the name of that assignment. You can leave it as is or you can change it. If you do have more than one student the message is going out to, they cannot see who else is getting the message. They only know that they got it. So in your message, you want to be kind of generic. So I'm going to just say, please turn in this missing assignment before midnight on, I'll say this. And then we went one step further. Remember, we copied the direct URL to the assignment. So I'm going to say click on the link below to go directly to this missing assignment. And I'm going to paste that link in. When the student opens the message, this link will be a hyperlink that they can literally click on and go directly to that assignment. And then I'm going to say, feel free to message me or see me in class if you have any questions. And then I simply say send message, and that message went out to everyone who is missing this assignment.